Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Open it. Yousif. تعال.
عندي هذا ايش هو ده؟
What is it?
حقي. إذا.
You want review?
Yeah. Don't show them. I have to show them. I just have to show them.
I think this is yours, Mama.
Yes.
What is it?
I can't tell.
I don't know.
What is it?
No.
No, I open it.
No. The tape.
Wait, hold on.
But I open it.
Yousif, get that one.
But I open
This
it.
tape, yeah, Maya. Let me move the tape.
No,
Give it up, give it Yousif.
No, no.
No,
I
Maya.
want to open it.
Maya تستحقها.
No. Babe, Baba, hang it. What is it?
I don't know. What is this? Open it. What is it? Open it. Hey, what is it? And they told me.
I know. What is it? A book?
A book? Yep. You got it. Take your book out. Take it out.
My iPad! Hack an iPad!
I gotta break it. I don't want to break it.
Hack an iPad.
Wow, brand new.
Let's see if it works.
Duh, it's dead though.
هذا الشاحن.
Wait, give me. Is it apple? Nah.
It's like mine to lose it.
Guys, today we bought some new stuff out of this little cooler bag. We bought it's some toys. Let's see. It's down. It's real heavy. Get this. I didn't buy this. But whatever. Put it down. You can go. I didn't buy this too. I didn't buy this. Oh, sorry. I didn't buy this. I did not buy this. I bought some toys. I didn't buy this one as well. But I bought this one. This is my cat. Nobody touch my car. Here, if stop holding me, buddy. If you didn't see my TikTok video, I'm basically doing TikTok video right now. This is Pluto. Yeah, my TikTok video is saying all the names. This is Silver, right? This is Silver. Wait, let me see. Is this Raven or Cinnamon? Yeah, this is Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Yo. This is Cinnamon. I call this Cinnamon Toast Crunch because she's a duba. This one, is this Milo? Yeah, this is, I think, we don't know, but my dad's saying Milo and Maya's saying Panther. So we don't know yet, but it's one of those. So yeah, but on my TikTok video we said Panther.
صلي على محمد.
Okay, so I think, wait, which one? Oh yeah, this one? No, this one is Milo. No, this one is Raven. Yeah, the loud one. The crazy one. If you hold, wait, it's one of them. It's this one. You hold them and they start going crazy. Wait, I think it's this one. Okay, so I just showed you all my cats. Yeah, so that's all my cats. They're so adorable. But we're giving away Raven, Cinnamon, and Silver. We're giving them away. And if there's any family members watching or people like that live close, I got you. I'll give you if I know where you live. I won't maybe not give them to you guys because there's already like all the cats that I'm gonna like sell. Not for money, no money, no nothing, but like Cinnamon, Silver, and Raven. There's already people that want them. So yeah, I'm pretty. What is your favorite cat? No. Tell me. So, look, which one do you like? Milo, Panther, Silver, Cinnamon, or Pluto?
Silver.
Silver? You like silver? You like silver? You like silver? Wow. You like silver?
I
Okay.
like silver.
So, I'm a cat, you guys. But my cat, the cat made this hole. The cat made the hole, yeah. I mean, okay, bye guys. Okay, bye guys. I just showed you my cat. Just a little fun bored video. I was bored. And maybe next Friday or I don't know when, but I'm posting a new video, gaming video on my PlayStation. Peace.
So we see you and Yousif plays in the PlayStation. Peace. Fortnite, by the way.